How to make authentic biryani, a step-by-step guide. Biryani is more than just a dish, it's a celebration of flavors, aromas, and traditions. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to make authentic biryani right at home. Ingredients overview. Here's what you'll need for our biryani: basmati rice, chicken, or your choice of protein. Aromatic spices, yogurt, onions, tomatoes, and a few special touches like saffron and rose water. Preparing the rice: washing, soaking, and boiling rice with whole spices, cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaves. Wash and soak the rice for 30 minutes. Boil it with aromatic spices until it's 70% cooked. This is crucial for the perfect biryani texture. Preparing the meat/protein, marinate the chicken with yogurt, ginger garlic paste, spices, turmeric, red chili powder, garam masala, and lemon juice. For juicy, flavorful meat, marinate it for at least 30 minutes, or overnight for the best results. Layering the biryani. Layering is key. Start with rice, then meat, and repeat. Add saffron milk, fried onions, and ghee for that authentic biryani aroma and taste. Cooking on dum. Cook the biryani on dum for 20 to 30 minutes. This slow cooking technique ensures the flavors meld beautifully while the rice becomes tender and aromatic. Final touches. Your biryani is ready. Just fluff it up gently, garnish, and get ready to serve. Plating and serving. Biryani is best enjoyed with cooling raita and fresh salad. The perfect bite has a little rice, a bit of meat, and a burst of spice. Conclusion and call to action. Making biryani may seem challenging, but with this step-by-step guide, you'll master it in no time. Try it out, and let me know in the comments how it turned out.